Y'all, what's up? What's up? On the rare occasion that I'm not moving around, want to talk to y'all about the updates with the cars. Been a lot of stuff going on. Ended up selling the Evo. Kept it for like 2 days, man, and just that thing was not what I would want to keep for myself. Crazy story is the whole time I was driving the car, I was driving in gravel mode. When the dude came and test drove it and put it in tarmac or whatever, that thing started ripping, man. It was really, really fast. I was like, damn. But oh well, that's that. Did not buy another car, but I did take the gray wrapped car, to get the twins off, smoking twins, and to drop a single turbo, which I found a guy in Raleigh selling an On3 kit. Complete kit, everything, including the turbo, sold it to me for $2,500. Including a JB4 port injection box. So, if somebody needs that, drop it in the comments. Probably send that to you. Don't need it. Besides that, I'm just trying to figure out what turbo I want to go with. I think I'm going to go with a 70 millimeter. Maybe a 67 ball bearing. But right now I'm just kind of in the air about that. I want to get these twins off and see what's happening with them, and maybe rebuild them for our next build. But it's gonna be a while before we get into another car and do all this stuff again. And another note, I got some rims for the B58. I also got some rims, some drag setup for the gray car. So that's gonna be my money makers this summer. I'm gonna be racing, taking everybody's money around here. But yeah, y'all, so, it's been raining like crazy. It's cold, so I wouldn't really want to go outside. But I just want to let y'all know a little bit of update. And appreciate y'all always watching and supporting. And big stuff coming up soon. Talk to y'all later. Let me tell y'all this. Headed to get the single turbo pulled on. Man, I know we've been talking about this for a while. It's been about, I want to say 4 or 5 months. Been dealing with this thing, man. But today's the day. Found an On3 single kit locally, actually, believe it or not. Brand new. It's got everything. It's got upgraded wastegate, which is a big plus because you don't want everyone to use On3 wastegates. And it's local, $2,500, comes with everything. One thing I will not use is probably the turbo, because I want a bigger one for this build motor. But before all of that, before I even pay for that kit, we're gonna do a compression test on this thing, just to double check to make sure everything's good to go. So once we do that, we'll be ready. So out here, man, this weather's been crappy, terrible. The car still sounds great. It pulls like a train still, besides the smoking issue, man, it would be crazy, no check engine light. Cool. Alright, y'all. Keep y'all updated in a minute. Here it is. Last time before it's single. Last time before it's single, y'all. Enjoy it. Enjoy it.